Hi, I'm Dr. Ruby Payne. As districts come back from COVID, educators know that there'll be many emotional issues to deal with. What we are providing for you are choices about how you might deliver that, regardless of how your situation falls out. The first one is in person, live trainings. A consultant comes to your location and presents the information to your staff. The second one is live on trainings that are online, and we work with your IT system to deliver those. Those are substantially less expensive because people don't have to travel to your location. The third one is on-demand workshops, in which they're pre-recorded, and we have reduced those prices as well so that you may have those available to large groups of people. They watch them at their own leisure. It has a end of course test, and it has a completion certificate with it. The last one is a subscription, and it is $5 a month for a year, and it gives you 2 on-demand courses, a framework for understanding poverty and emotional poverty, and 6 notebooks. We hope that these give you lots of choices about how you might provide the critical training your staff is going to need to have.